A standard sink or toilet clog will usually clear after several vigorous plunging strokes if you use the right technique. Start by choosing a cup plunger for sinks and a flange plunger for toilets, then seal the plunger over the drain and push and pull in long, forceful motions for about 10 to 20 plunges per cycle while maintaining the seal. After each cycle, lift the plunger to check for drainage and repeat up to 3 cycles if necessary, because many basic clogs loosen within 2 to 3 cycles, but sometimes need more persistence. If water does not drain, or the bowl level rises dangerously, stop and bail out excess water to avoid overflow before trying again. Wear rubber gloves and eye protection to avoid contact with splashback, and use hot but not boiling water first to help dissolve grease or soap scum deposits. For stubborn hair clogs in sinks, use a manual drain snake or a coat hanger straightened with a small hook, feeding gently until you feel resistance and then twisting while withdrawing to remove material. Avoid chemical drain cleaners because they can damage pipes and are hazardous to handle. Mechanical methods plus patience are safer and often more effective. Common mistakes are using the wrong plunger type, which prevents a proper seal and wastes effort. So switch to the correct plunger and form a tight seal before each stroke. Another issue is plunging too gently or too briefly, which rarely moves the blockage. So use long, vigorous strokes and count your plunges to maintain consistent effort. A third problem is not checking or addressing downstream traps and vents. So if plunging fails, inspect the P-trap under sinks or wait and try again after running hot water to test whether the obstruction is farther down the line, and consider calling a professional if the trap must be removed or the vent cleared. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by letting us connect people with service providers and a wider project community. We also help contractors find work and showcase their services. And our site includes a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from real homeowner experiences.